Hey friends, it's Lisa Marie here, and I went to the Dollar Tree today and Walmart and then ordered some things online, and I thought, only done one haul video ever, which is back in the spring. I think I'm overdue. So let's spend our New Year's Eve unboxing and unveiling my cool haul. Let's get right into it. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for being here. And to all of my subscribers, you are the best. The first thing, this is something that I ordered online on Amazon, and these are mats for my new Cricut. They're 12-inch cutting mats, and there are two green ones, a purple one, and a pink one. And it was like, I think $15 for all of these. Oh my gosh, I'll definitely put the link in the description. Much cheaper than anywhere else I've seen it, and I needed this because mine only came with a blue mat. Oh yeah, there's a blue mat in here too, but I need to be able to do vinyl, and the blue mat really isn't for vinyl, I've learned. Great purchase, super excited to use this. Oh, and I have my dogs here. There's Sophie, so if they decide to interrupt, well, that's just what happens in my house. Also on Amazon, I ordered these little precise pin pens. They were much more expensive at Cricut. And this particular thing, oh gosh, I think it was like $11 or $12. You get two pens, and they already have the pin pens in them. And they came in a pouch with an additional, well, you get two pens, did I say that? You get 4 refills or replacement blades, which, man, that was a great deal, seriously. So I'm excited about that. And these are weeding tools. Just learned this is all new to me. So if you already know this is a great buy. Again, I will put the link in the description. Those are my online things. Now let's get to Dollar Tree. I have purchased this rope in the automotive section before, but I bought the red and white and green and white. Well, today they had yellow and black, so that'll be in one of my bags somewhere, the black one. But I thought this could be good for like the spring or Easter, you know, you never know. So I got that. And then I want to make like a little tiered tray for Valentine's. So I got this little 2-piece bowl set and then this little plate. And I thought that would be a super cute little tiered tray for Valentine's. Also, I got a pair of these cute socks. I'll do something for Valentine's with these. I kind of like the softer colors, and so I'm excited about that. And while I was there, I got some glue sticks because I go through this like crazy. I got one of the trash cans so that I can use this kind of mesh for like the backdrop of something, make it look like chicken wire. I'm really excited. I haven't done that yet. I've seen a lot of people do it, and I'm excited to try it. Got a bunch of ribbons, but I found this really cute little lemony looking ribbon, and I thought when we get to like spring and Easter, this is going to be nice. So I thought I'd better grab it. Then actually to go with my little lemon ribbon, I got this really pretty kind of sage green ribbon. I got a couple of these. I think that's going to be super pretty. Then they had these like Mardi Gras beads, and this one was 8 beaded necklaces. Wow, for $1. And these really are nice when you want to attach them to things and make it look like there's like a texture. But to get 8 of these and you can paint them, this was a good deal. I'm really excited about that. Next thing I got at Dollar Tree were some skewer or dowels. I really like this size. I know they're going to come in handy, so I needed some of those. I also got a bunch of different ribbons. Mostly, I would say kind of Valentine-ish ribbons, but I got a couple other ones like those lemons. I got this cute gingham, the red gingham. I thought that would be good for more than just Valentine's, so I wanted to get that. And I think I got 3 or 4 of those just to make sure I had enough. I got this cute little heart ribbon, which I think is sweet. And then I have seen other people get these on their hauls and they love them. Super cute little heart stickers made out of wood. Those will definitely come in handy. And then I found this really cute little wooden heart, nice solid piece, so I think that'll be great. I definitely won't keep what's on the front. I'm not into that glittery stuff, but I definitely think this could be something cute. And I got another one of the little Valentine heart type ribbons. I don't know if you can see that. This is the first time ever at Dollar Tree, for me anyway, that I have finally found little cotton pieces. So I'm very excited because I've got some winter DIYs that I'm working on, and I don't have any of these, so now I finally do. I picked up a couple of chip brushes just because, you know, you never have too many chip brushes, right? And I got some more of their tacky glue because, again, you can never have too much glue. So when I was at Dollar Tree, I was definitely looking for like some Valentine's things, and I found this adorable little burlap bag. And it just says, imagine, dream, believe. But what I really liked about it was the color. It's just this super soft pink, and I think I could definitely do something with this for Valentine's, just cutting it into different pieces and whatnot. So I'm really excited about that. Oh, and they had these super cute little buffalo check slippers, so I need some new slippers, so I picked up those. I got this adorable little hat. I could use this for Valentine's. I thought it was really cute. And here's Sophie, here to say hi. Okay. All right, and then I found this scarf, which I thought was super pretty, and that would probably be really nice also for Valentine's and maybe even for spring or Easter, actually. Here's that black rope that I got. What is it? It's a poly rope. You know, this stuff is kind of cool, actually. It's not raffia, but it can be like raffia, so I like it. This is such a cute little sign that I found, and more so just because I think I won't leave it like this, of course, but I just like the shape of it and the way that it kind of has the faux planks, and it's a nice solid piece, so I'm gonna do something fun with this too. They had one of these, like we've seen these in so many different colors, but I liked the red, and I thought I could do something with this for Valentine's, so I thought that was super pretty. I'd love for you to join me on my channel by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you'll always know when I have a new video. I do all kinds of DIYs, gardening in the summer. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That helps my channel so much, and I do appreciate it. I always check the decals and, you know, sticker type things when I'm at Dollar Tree. And so I found these. Aren't those gorgeous? And I thought that would be so good for spring, even Valentine's. I love them. They're really soft pastels and just really muted. I love these. I can't wait to use these. And then I also got this. I thought this was super fun, and I think this will look really cute as a backdrop for something. So I just love those colors. Again, very spring. Okay, now this is kind of a funny story. So this was on the aisle, you know, where they have all the plates and they set them in there. I don't think it's really for sale, but there were a bunch of empty ones, so I grabbed it and put it in my cart. They rang it up. So I got this. I don't even think it was really for sale, but I really wanted it. So I want to use it to organize stuff in my craft room. This is like perfect for $1. Oh my gosh, I want to go back and get more now. Somebody probably won't let me next time, but they did. And then I got three, excuse me, of these little baskets, these wire baskets. I'm going to use this to make kind of a tier tray for by my kitchen sink, like where sponges and things go. So I need something that if water gets on it, it won't get ruined. And I think this is perfect. Plus it can kind of drain. So that should be good. I'll have to see how that turns out. I got some super glue because I needed some more. Now, when I see these, I always think of Nicole from the Week's Nest DIY. She uses these little stickers. They're like pop-up stickers, different sizes, and then adds them for like an accent around things and then paints over them. And I really love that technique. So I got a bunch of large ones and some smaller ones, and I know these are going to come in handy for all different kinds of DIYs, you know, as little embellishments. And then I got these chalkboard tags that were shaped like hearts, and I thought, again, perfect for Valentine's. So in the Crafters Corner section, I did find quite a few cute things. They had these little teeny mini palettes. Are they just the cutest? Oh my gosh. So I got 2 of those. Then they had the little flat palettes, which I got 4 of those. And I like the idea of using these as a form to create like a box or whatever. So I think I'm going to do something fun with that. They had a couple different versions of this wooden frame with the heart cutout. One of them was like more the big heart in the center, but I kind of like that this was offset, and then I could put something cute on this side too. And then I really love this home sign. I did get 2 of these because it is possible to cut the heart off if you don't want to make it Valentine's, but even with the heart on, I don't think it has to be Valentine's, but I just love it. I think this is definitely something that we could make some really cute things out of. I picked up one of these little palette hearts, which I think is super cute, and I love that, the whole concept of that, especially if you're gonna like decoupage something on there and then you'll have the planks. So I'm really excited about this one. Now, I didn't buy any paper gift bags this time because I bought so many like at Christmas time that I only used a few. So I thought, okay, be realistic, Lisa. And I found this little like kind of canvas bag, and I really love the little hearts. They're kind of, some of them are more neutral, not just only red. And I thought this would be really cute to cut them out and use them on DIY. So I got this. I always need more nautical rope, and my Dollar Tree doesn't always have it, so I grabbed a couple. I got some lint rollers. I saw a tip on Maker's Gonna Learn YouTube channel for cleaning your Cricut mats and using the lint roller to just kind of get off any little pieces, you know, in between regular cleaning. So I thought, okay, that's great. Plus, I get those glue webs all over myself. Do you guys, those glue webs drive me crazy. That is like, I love my hot glue guns, but I'm telling you, I cannot stand those glue webs. So I need something to get them off of me. So that'll be great. There's like a little one and a big one for $1. Great deal. My husband loves the dark chocolate raisinets. So whenever I go to Dollar Tree and spend all kinds of money, which I did today, I always pick him up some of these, kind of like, hey, look what I got you. And I spent $86 today. Okay, anyway, you know the little square wood planks that they have over in the Crafter Square? They do not always have these at my Dollar Tree, so when they do, I grab them. And like the rectangular ones are very hard to find for me. So they didn't have those today, but I did grab a bunch of these because they really come in handy if you want to like build a box or whatever. I love this sign, not the way it is because it's way too glittery and red for me. But look at the shape. You get 5 hearts. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, this is gonna come in handy for sure. Oh, by the way, there's Bella right there. Shane is, can you see Shane? There he is, he's right there. And then Sophie was the one who came over. They follow me everywhere I go, from room to room. It doesn't matter when I'm crafting, they're always with me. So here they are, of course. I just wanted to let everyone know that I am on social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Same name, Living My Best Life with Lisa Marie, and I hope to see you over there. This gorgeous like cylinder vase. Now, I had at my stepdaughter's house, she has tons of gorgeous pine cones that fall off of her trees. And I had my husband gather like 100 and some for me. And so I put them in the oven and got rid of all the bugs and whatever. And now I'm gonna make some really cool crafts. And this is one of the things I'm gonna use for that. I got one of these little triangular desk signs, and I used one of these before for a 3-tier tray little sign. That way like it sits like this and you can have a 2-sided sign, and I love that concept. So I thought I'm gonna make something else for a tier tray with one of these. And then I love this shape sign and with the little piece across the top. I have one already, but I thought I might want a second one. So I found one today and I grabbed it. And then, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm gonna not use the back of it, even though it's adorable. It says Stay Magical, but I love the cute little roses on there. And I figure I could make something really cute for Valentine's with this. And I probably won't even have to change the pink around the edges. So it'll just be a super easy DIY. And I love this sign. One, because you get kind of 2 signs for one. 2, I'm going to take these little hearts off and use them for something, and then I'll just have the wood left to work with for other things. And I got this tag sign, and the main reason I got it is the size, and I absolutely love the truck. It's so cute. So I'm so torn about if I just leave it as it is or if I do something to it because it's super cute. I'm not a big fan of the sparkles, but you know what? I'll think about it. And it could end up being a 2-sided sign because it's a great size. This is a very big tag. They had just 2 of these at my Dollar Tree. It says all you need is love, but it's solid wood. I mean, heavy duty. So I'm sure that I can do something with these. I love them. I just love that it's solid. And it doesn't have like that hollow back. This was great. I mean, I don't think I'll leave them the way they are. I'll definitely do something to them. Okay, so now we're moving on to the Walmart stuff. I am organizing my craft room, and it's just overwhelming, honestly. I'm sure everyone who crafts can relate to this. But one of the things I think I want to do is use some smaller containers to put kind of like things together. That way I can stack them if they have lids. Right now I have too many open things and you can't stack them. Today at Walmart, they had a deal where you got 10 of these, and I'll show you. So it's like a shoebox size container, and they of course come with the lids, and so you can stack them. 10 of these for $7.88. That was a really good deal. So I went ahead and got 10 of those, and I will have to start organizing and figuring out what I'm going to be putting in them. Another thing I got at Walmart is these 3 wreath rings. I have seen so many people using these, and I'm always taking the Dollar Tree ones and then using wire cutters, and it ends up bending them. They're not as sturdy. I mean, I make it work, but how nice to find these 3 beautiful gold rings. You don't need to paint them. The gold is beautiful, and it was only like $2.47, I want to say, at Walmart. Great deal for 3 of these. When I was at Dollar Tree, I was looking for their new florals, which at my store they didn't have any. I'll have to go check another one. So when I was at Walmart, I did find some gorgeous little rose picks. And so I just picked up 2 of these. Aren't they precious? Oh my gosh. And I thought, this is gonna be perfect for doing something for Valentine's. I just love them. And I love, again, it's softer. I don't always like the super bright red, even though I love the color red. But for Valentine's, sometimes it feels so cheesy when it's like super bright. So I kind of like some of the more neutral or muted tone. Friends, I am really excited for the year 2021. I'm going to do some really exciting things on my channel, a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to show you all the things I have planned. Also, when I was in Walmart, I need some scrapbooking paper, and I haven't gone over to Michael's, Joann's, or Hobby Lobby, mostly because I'm afraid. I'm afraid of how much money I'll spend, and so I've been avoiding it like the plague. I did get a gift card for Christmas to Hobby Lobby, so I'll have to go there, but I'm just so scared. I mean, I do so much damage in Dollar Tree, it scares me to think what I might do at Hobby Lobby. So when I was at Walmart, I found these cute little books of like scrapbook paper, and this one was like a lot of different kind of reds and oranges and that kind of thing. It was only $2, I think, and 54 cents. And to be honest, half the time I only need something that big. So I'm excited, and I can even cut things out of this using my Cricut, which I'm so excited about. I don't know if I mentioned, but I got one for Christmas, a Cricut Explore Air 2, and I haven't really used it yet because I don't have any vinyl or anything. So I've been ordering some stuff and finding out from other YouTube DIYers where to buy it, where the good prices are and everything. So I'm really excited to get started. I found another one of those little books at Walmart with like baby mini scrapbook paper. Whoops. And this is all in pastels, and I thought this is going to be great for spring and Easter and so forth. So I'm excited about that. I have been very bad. So you know how you're supposed to have different scissors for different things? I have been using scissors for everything, and I'm ruining my scissors, and they're not good anymore, and I try sharpening them and it's not really working. So I did buy some more scissors today, and I'm going to actually designate them as like, this is for paper and vinyl, and this is for fabric and that kind of thing, because I need to start treating my scissors with the respect that they deserve. And then at Walmart, I found these cute little caps. And like, so let's say you make a jar and you want to have like a little handle on it. These are perfect for that. And I do have some plans for that. So I wanted to get a couple of these. And then I have some plans to do some string art type DIYs. So I found this white string, and I thought that would be perfect because it's neutral, and if I needed to, I could even dye it. And then for Valentine's, I found this adorable, oh my gosh. It's a little sparkly, but very subtle and kind of lighter Valentine type colors, and so I thought this would be super cute. I've been needing floral wire, and I never can find it at Dollar Tree, or it's too small. And I found this one at Walmart, and it's a ton, and I'm so excited because I really needed this. And I'm getting low on Mod Podge, and I've noticed that Mod Podge is kind of expensive, or you only get a little teeny bottle. So I'm gonna try this. It's Aleene's Original Premium Decoupage. I got it at Walmart, and it's 16 ounces, and it was the same price as the 8-ounce Mod Podge. So I hope it works, because if it does, this is a great deal. And last but not least, these are the things I got at Walmart so I could start using my Cricut. Now I've got some stuff on order that hasn't arrived yet. Everything's behind, you know, because of the holidays and COVID. I got a permanent glossy premium vinyl. It is made by Cricut, but it was on sale. I think it was like $5.64 or something like that. Anyway, and this is pink, and I thought this would be nice for Valentine's. And then I got a gold one. This one's removable. There were slim pickings in the sale bunch, so I just got whatever I could get. But I thought the gold would really be nice, and that would be fun to work with. And then I definitely wanted black, so I did get the permanent black glossy so that I can make some things with the Cricut. I'm super excited. I've never used it before, and I just can't wait. And that was my haul from Dollar Tree, Amazon, and Walmart. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you did, and I will post more haul videos. The only one I've ever done is a Goodwill haul, which I will link up in the cards and down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. As I film this, it is New Year's Eve. I hope you all are having a very fun, safe evening. Be careful if you're out on the road. Hope everyone has a healthy, happy, and blessed New Year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Dang, that's sharp. Which I think will, not the fabric, but the sweater, whatever, what do you want to call this, sweater? Whatever. Very versatile. Versatile, easy for me to say. Ooh, you can see my ring light in there. Whoops. Oh wait. Thank you so much for watching and cannot wait to see you in my next video. Until then, you are a blessing.